Actual test. Test 6. Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about.
Now, I'm not going to say that cloud seeding should not be researched. It should. But I want to talk about the points you just read about in the text. The points seem plausible, but in fact, evidence that the reading suggests cannot explain the usefulness of this method fully enough. Alright, so first, your reading mentions lab results. Yes, it's true. In those experiments, silver iodide produced clouds and gave off a very light, harmless snow. But remember, those were laboratory conditions. In the real world, silver iodide could result in harmless snow, but it could also prevent all forms of precipitation from falling altogether. If this was used in areas that don't see a lot of rainfall in a year, then it could cause rain to just stop falling. In the end, the crops would still be damaged. Just instead of hail, it would be drought that damages them. Next, the successful use of cloud seeding in Asia. This is also very important to examine closely. The areas where Asian countries used cloud seeding did report a very significant drop in hail. But the thing is, the cloud seeding was done in urban areas. Only in urban areas. Urban areas have a lot of air pollution from, cars and factories and such. And believe it or not, particles and pollution actually create favorable conditions for cloud seeding. Something in the particles interacts with the silver iodide. Anyway, farmlands don't have this pollution factor, so it's really not reliable to assume you could replicate those results here. And finally, the local studies that were done in an American farming region. Okay, yeah, that region did show considerably less hail than the previous year. But, you know what? So did every region in the nearby area. I mean every region. North, south, west, east, every region. And remember, these regions did not have any cloud seeding done at all. So what caused the reduction in hail here? Well, it was just a natural fluctuation in the annual rainfall for that year. That happens all the time.